All right, from Diddy's defense team to the never-ending saga between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni, there's never a shortage of celebrity legal drama.
No, there isn't, and we have the very latest on the cases that you care about. Our entertainment lawyer, Lisa Bonner, joining us here in studio today. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Like we said, there was never a dull moment, but I'm kind of over this Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni thing.
I think we all are.
But it keeps going. So Justin Baldoni has filed a lawsuit against his former publicist now for apparently leaking some text messages. Why is this still going on?
Because there is a never-ending series of he said, she said. Where did this start? What came first, the chicken or the egg? Who stole the text? Who? It's a mess. If there was a legal word for a legal demonstration of a mess, this is it.
This is it.
It's very messy, and it just keeps. It's the gift that keeps on giving.
It's kind of ironic that they are all talking about a movie that is called "It Ends with Us,"
and
this,
this
is not ending at all, ever.
I never thought of that one.
Yeah.
Look at you.
All right, Lisa, what about Diddy? What's going on with his legal team? Did he have a victory sometime recently?
His victory was that they, the Jane Doe, dropped the case against Jay-Z and Diddy. She just basically went to court, we don't know why, and just said, I am withdrawing my case, and it is done. It is dismissed with prejudice, never to be brought again. So that was his little victory. That's about, I think, all that he's going to see.
That's the only victory that
I think that's the only victory
This
he's
is a
gonna
woman
see.
that says that she was a 13-year-old
yes.
at a VMA after party that
Yes.
she
In the
drove from
2000s.
Rochester, New York to New York for this VMA after party. Her daddy supposedly picked her up.
But he doesn't remember.
He doesn't remember it.
There's no circular driveway within 25 miles of New York. It was so many things.
Yeah, there were so many things.
So many things.
Is he having some changes, though, within his defense team?
Well, one lawyer withdrew from his federal case. We do not know why he withdrew. He said it was due to attorney-client privilege, that he could not discuss it, but he has withdrawn. Now, the interesting thing about this is that's the same lawyer that at one point represented Osama bin Laden. Okay. So if he represented Osama and is withdrawing from Diddy's case, I think that says something.
Osama can represent Diddy. Ooh, that's the line right there.
He represented Osama bin Laden and has withdrawn from this case.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Enough said.
I just report the news.
Okay, so Drake, in the meantime, though, is in a legal battle with his own record company. Again, Universal Music Group. His lawyer is claiming that millions of people believe Kendrick Lamar's claims about him. What's going on here?
Drake got owned on that diss track, and essentially, in my non-legal opinion, is very upset that this song was the biggest song of the year. Yeah. And he is suing Universal, the same label that represents Drake, and just basically saying they engaged in payola, that they engaged in in publicizing the record, which they did. They're supposed to. Yeah. But essentially, he's saying that it contains false and malicious information. Well, legally, that is not, the record company is not the police. If you want to sue somebody, he would sue Kendrick.
And Mustard.
Correct. But they brought a case, and I don't know whether he was trying to get, a cease and desist against. It's out. It will never be up. Yeah. It's out. So every legal lawyer, every lawyer that I know is literally scratching our heads about this. It literally really makes no sense to me.
It doesn't make sense. Okay.
None.
What could become of this case? Will it eventually just get dismissed, or they take it any further?
I think, the Universal did file a motion to dismiss, and so we are waiting to see what happens with that. I do believe that it will be dismissed. It was without merit in every way that it can be from a legal standpoint.
Really appreciate the roundup.
Well, at least we got some good music out of it.
We did.
Exactly, we did. Listen, some of Drake's songs were good too,
Yeah.